I need money today. Let's talk about 3 quick and easy ways that you can start making money today. Let's jump right into it. Number 1, you may not have heard of, it's called Neighbor. And the really cool thing about Neighbor is you can just rent out space, extra space that you have. It could be extra space in your garage. It could be extra space in your shed, a room in your house for storage, and even a parking space. But let's check out the website and go through a few more details. Okay, we're here at neighbor.com, and as you can see here, as I scroll down, they've had a lot of press, and right here, self-storage, car and RV storage, boat storage, trailer, business inventory. And all you really do, it's pretty easy. You just click up here, become a host, and then you just list your space, fill out your information, and it's really cool. You don't have to deal with finding customers. You just put out your listing and let this do the work, and you can either go through the website or there's an app as well. Everyone's heard of Airbnb and vacation, VRBO, but have you heard of Turo? And this is where you actually rent out your car. I know the first thought, I'm not going to just give my car to some stranger. They wreck it. What about insurance? On the website, they go through a few different programs, and you can actually pick which insurance you want people to have when they use your car. But Turo is gaining ground fast, and it's allowing people to not have a car if they're in a city and they can bike or walk. But let's check out the website for a few more details. Okay, we're here at Turo.com, and as I scroll down here, you can browse by make or model and, find the perfect car. It's pretty cool. And then you can also, of course, list your car. Right here, you just become a host and you get started going through filling out all the information about your car, where you're located, and how you want it to work. It's really pretty self-explanatory. And once again, there's an app for this one too. Hey, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and thumbs up, leave a comment for me. And while you're at it, check out this video for additional side hustles. I'm pretty sure you haven't heard of this last one. It's Uber for laundry. It's called Hamper. That's right. You can just chill out at home and do other people's laundry. Check this out. Okay, we're here at tryhamper, HAMPR.com. And this is a new one for me. I'm a part of Neighbor. I'm also a part of Turo. But Hamper is one that I hadn't heard of until I did some research. But it's pretty cool. You get the Hamper app, and then all you do is decide, what you're going to do as far as the laundry is concerned. And basically, that's it. As long as you know how to do laundry, basically click up here and go through the process.